Okay, so for this, we're going to look at how to do a transfer posting for materials. This would be for inventory that is in the wrong storage location. So for example, the difference between finished goods and sample stock. So we'll just do a inventory report here to show what we're going to be doing. You can see here that storage location for everything that's in the first part of this report is in storage type 0002. That's going to be for sample stock. But there's going to be a bunch of things that are also still in storage location 0001, which is finished goods. So what we want to do is have an easy way to segregate what's finished goods versus what is sample goods. So the way we're going to do that is just in MIGO. We're going to do a posting change. So we'll go ahead and enter a new window and open up MIGO. And then go ahead and just split screen here so we can see what's going on two sides. So we're going to do a transfer posting, and actually I'll open it up here a little bigger. It's important that we do transfer posting for our movement type. We select other for our variant, and that the goods movement type is 311. This is going to allow us to transfer inventory within a plant. So for our scenario, the plant is going to be just the company, 3510 for Nuna Baby. The location is what we're going to be changing. So you can see here the stock location for the source of this movement is 0001. Now if we wanted to move something from the other storage type, all we'd have to do is update that field, and then it would just be the reverse transaction. But for what we're going to do here is move something from finished goods, so 0001, into the sample stock 0002. So we'll pre-populate these fields. You can change these at any time, but for this example, we'll do it right at the beginning. Great, and then again, we'll go here to our inventory report, and we'll just get a sampling of some of these things. So this material here is just I think this is a lithos. This isn't something that we really do any movements with, but we want to get it off of an inventory report someone might pull for finished goods. So we'll select a bunch of things here, and that was Control Y to get that reticle. In SAP, it's a Control Y for the shortcut, and then I'm going to hit Control C to copy. And then over here, I'm going to minimize this. This allows me to put one thing in at a time, but if I minimize it, I can update a bunch of records at the same time. So I'll hit Control V to paste, and I'll do the same thing for my stock values. Make sure I select the exact same range so I don't go over. Paste that in, and I'm going to hit Enter to have everything be validated here. Now the only thing to update is it knows where it's taking it from, but if I scroll all the way over, it is not going to show me. Actually, I'm going to make this bigger. I said where it's coming from, which is there, but I need to know where it's going to go to for every record that I'm changing. So you can see here it has the to record, but it's just for that top one. So I'm just going to copy and paste all the way down. What I can do is once I have a few of these, I can do that trick where I do the reticle, drag it across everything, Control C to copy, and then now I can paste in larger sections. Hit Enter to validate. And I don't want these extra records. I don't think it'll do anything. Let me just try to check it. Okay, yeah, I do need to just delete those records, which isn't a problem. I just need to remember how to do that. Alright, so the quick way to do this without opening each record is I'm just going to unselect the OK on these. You can see the OK field right up there. And once I unselect those and I hover over this, you can see that it says delete lines without the OK. So once I hit this, it's just going to go with whatever's not checked and delete it. So I should be OK now. So go ahead and check it again. It shows that everything looks OK. And then I'll hit post. What this is going to do is just create a transfer posting request. So I haven't created a transfer order yet. I've just told the system that I would like to change the status and storage location of those specific items and those specific quantities. But now I need to tell it exactly where in the warehouse to take those items from. So the next transaction that I'm going to open up is LU04. And this is just going to show me any of my open posting changes that I've created. So I'm just going to run this wide open, hit enter, and there's some items here on the top. I'm not going to worry about those. I can see here, from here down, are all the items that I just created transfer posting requests for. So now I'm going to change these into transfer orders to actually update my stock. So I'll check in each one of these, and I'll do create transfer order. Great. And it's just in the background gone ahead and created all of those transfer orders. And the reason it's done that is I requested the item and a specific quantity of 20, and for example, this first one, Z1 DL31-0195, and that's because in the entire warehouse, there's only 20 of them, and they're all just in this specific storage location. So if I'd have chosen something else, something say like this part down here or this adapter, there's more than that in the whole warehouse. There's more than 4 in the whole warehouse. So when I would have clicked create transfer order, it would have shown me options. So I actually do that here in the next step, but first we'll confirm that what we did worked. So here you can see I haven't refreshed this report at all. So it just shows that these are still in storage type 0001, storage bin A11A, and storage unit ending in 143. So if I go back and I keep that filter on just to look at the one bin, when I come back in, I'll see that these are now, where'd we go? I lost him. Okay, hold on. And there we go. It's in storage type 2, same storage bin, same storage unit. All we've done is just flicked this switch here, metaphorically, to change it from storage type 1 to storage location 2 for sample stock. So let's